Guarino Willie Moretti was an influential figure in the Italian-American mob, serving as the underboss of the Genovese crime family during the reign of his cousin, Frank Costello. As underboss of the Genovese crime family, he was a significant player in the criminal underworld during the mid-20th century. His association with Frank Costello further solidified his influence within the organization. Moretti's story is quite fascinating and has been covered in various articles and books exploring the history of organized crime in America. Early life. Guarino Moretti, known as Willie, was born in Bari, Apulia, southern Italy, in 1894. His family later immigrated to the United States, settling in New Jersey. As a young man, Moretti became involved in criminal activities and soon found his way into the world of organized crime. Criminal career. Moretti swiftly ascended in the ranks of the Genovese crime family, becoming a trusted confidant of his cousin, Frank Costello. Known for his charisma and strategic mind, Moretti played a pivotal role in the operations of the crime family, exerting influence and wielding power in the underworld. Hollywood connections. Moretti's reach extended beyond the realm of organized crime as he cultivated relationships with influential figures in Hollywood. His connections with actors, producers, and directors further solidified his standing in the criminal underworld, providing him with access to resources and opportunities beyond the traditional scope of mob activities. Testimony before the Kefauver Committee. Moretti's notoriety reached a peak when he was called to testify before the Kefauver Committee, a landmark investigation into organized crime in the United States. His appearance shed light on the inner workings of the mafia and brought nationwide attention to the criminal activities that had long operated in the shadows. Death. Moretti's reign came to a violent end in 1951 when he was gunned down in broad daylight in Cliffside Park, New Jersey. His assassination sent shockwaves through the criminal world and marked the tragic finale of a man who had once wielded immense power and influence. Legacy. Despite his criminal activities, Moretti's legacy endures as a compelling chapter in the annals of American organized crime. His connections to Hollywood, his dramatic testimony, and his untimely demise have etched his name into the lore of mafia history. Conclusion. Guarino Willie Moretti's life embodies the complex intertwining of crime, power, and influence. His story is a testament to the enduring allure and the eventual downfall of those who inhabit the shadowy domain of organized crime. Moretti's lasting impact serves as a reminder of the far-reaching consequences of a life lived on the edge of law and order.